Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to measure sum of the attendance of the employees. Okay, so I will add one more column here and name it as column total. Okay, so every time what we do, we type equal to sum and we select the value, complete the bracket and press enter, and then we drag our values and measure the addition of the attendance of employees. Okay, so no need to do this every time. Like, you have a one simple trick. You just need to do one thing. Okay, and it's a very simple trick. Just select the whatever value you want to. Suppose I want to select this much of values, so select all the table and just press control, sorry, just press alt equal to. Okay, just select all the values. Just one sec. Select all the values, press alt equal to. So it will directly measure your addition and make all the addition of this attendance and give you a addition of this employee. So as you can see, alt plus equal to already created this equal to sum formula, so you don't need to type and then select the values and these things. Okay, again I will show you column total. So select all the column total, all values in the column, and press alt equal to. So as you can see, all the column total are selected here and all the row total are selected here. Okay, so I hope you like it, and it's a simple shortcut trick. So I will write a formula here, alt plus equal to. So it will measure your sum. Okay, so it's a very simple formula and I hope you like it. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys.